6-year-old child, blank, pale, emotion, face, blackest eye, the devil's eyes. I spent 8 years trying to reach him, and then another 7 trying to keep him, because I realized that what was living behind that boy's eyes was purely and simply evil.